Thomas will be the hitter. Bases loaded, 1 out, and a 5-man infield, and they're pulled up.
Swing and a drive. Center field. When this lands, Rays win. Rays win. Rays win. And the Rays finish off a sweep of the Blue Jays.
Willie, a walk-off for you. Before you came to the plate, you were 0 for 4. What's this Gatorade bath mean to you right now?
It means the world for me right now. You know, it was a tough game for me. You know, and I was just trying to make a contact there and trying to get Squeak to score.
Yeah, what are you thinking when you step up to the plate? Let's just end this after 11 innings?
You know, of course, that's my first thought, but I was just trying to get a high pitch to, you know, to drive it to the outfield so Squeak could score. Sorry, I'm a little nervous.